I think our goal is just to meet patients where they're at. Everyone is at a different place. Sometimes, dentally we can look at things and say, oh, we need this, this, and this. But maybe that's not exactly where they're at or what they're ready to do. Being there to support them, educating them, we really want to create a different environment where they feel like they can just be welcome and there's no judgment here. We're just here to educate them and help them.
I went through braces twice. The reason I had to have them twice was because my first dentist, I had seen just completely different people every time I went in. It wasn't the same tech doing my braces, so they were just overcorrecting every single time.
Called in and the receptionist put me on hold for just a second, and then she said, hey, let me call you right back. She called back within 2 minutes and said, if you can be here in an hour, we can see you. So I was like, okay, this is amazing.
Grinding is something that has been with me since early childhood and ended up being a major symptom of the overall picture of my dental health.
Sometimes you go to an office, you go to any professional setting and they're billing you by the hour, or they're kind of tapping their foot, it's like, can't get to the point. We pride ourselves on never doing that. Dentistry is different. It's not only about executing with accuracy and precision, it's about the emotional aspect of what you're providing to each individual.
We do all kind of the basic types of dentistry, fillings, crowns, bridges, but we do more complex cases too. We do, implants, we see people for all-on-4s, overdentures.
Then we have people who need everything from extractions to root canals to wanting to move teeth with Invisalign.
I was second-guessing getting veneers. At first, I was just scared, I might regret them, and I was just thinking, what if they mess them up? Just because of other dentists I've had messing up my teeth. I just immediately knew, the whole vibe of the office was very different than other offices I had went to. They actually care. When you come in, you can tell they all love their job and want to be here and remember your name when you come back in. Most dentists don't remember your name, even when you've been there for a year. They're like, who are you?
When I created the office, my whole goal was circled around, okay, how can we help people who are really anxious? How do we get them through the door? And once they get here, how do we make them feel better? We have blankets, noise-canceling headphones, which seem to help patients who really struggle with the noises.
We got the little eye shades, so you don't have my tractor beam of a headlamp blinding you as I'm fixing your teeth.
Sedation dentistry is important to me. I don't do well with needles, obviously.
We try to just make it as comfortable as we possibly can. For me, it's so rewarding to see a person who was afraid to smile at first or felt self-conscious, and then to see them happy and smiling and out and about. Or I've had patients who, one lady called and said, I got my dream job now, and I think it just helped build confidence.
The biggest difference is that my ability to fall asleep has been reduced from about 2.5 hours to 40 minutes. I've increased my sleep by almost 2 complete hours just by getting the bite rebuild.
But also just being able to look back at my wedding pictures and be like, oh my gosh, but that's the only thing I look at is my teeth.
Go to Breez Dental because you'll be happy you went there. The experience is going to be different than what you've had in the past, and I think you'll really like it.
Breez Dental has definitely changed my life. I probably tell them every time I come in here, I'm like, thank you guys so much.